Sure. I get long rides on these. Every now and then you get some big waves in this area, right by a neighborhood church. Redondo Torrance. The waves aren't that big, but it's windy out here. It just finished raining, so it really shouldn't be out in the water because of the health hazard. It's just the runoff. But they've been talking about big waves. And I haven't seen them yet. I did see them in Redondo Beach yesterday, bigger than normal. But I haven't seen the 6 to 10 feeder that they're talking about yet. This is Oceanside, North Oceanside. Yeah, you guys having fun. So now we're by the pier, listening to the Hannity show. Geraldo Rivera's talking right now. Oh, Michael Cohen.
Michael Cohen invested heavily, thinking that it was going to be like Amazon stock. The value just keep going up, up, up. What happened? They invented Uber, Captain Medallion.
Bigger waves, yeah, they're bigger here. It's just choppy, rough.
So he mortgaged. He took out mortgages. He took out borrowed money to buy these Captain Medallions on speculation. Basically lost his shirt. Now he's facing financial ruin. Now comes the problems with the special counsel. A very vulnerable person, the most vulnerable kind of story.
It's kind of rough here, but not that big. Carlsbad.
African American, people of color, everyone.
See, these kind of waves remind me more of Lake Michigan, where I grew up. Just kind of non-stop little white caps.
White people who grew up in the South than white people who grew up in New York City.
Can't really surf these though. People do try to surf on Lake Michigan. When I was in college there, a California kid came there and he'd always go out to Lake Michigan and try to surf, even in the winter. Until it's frozen. It does freeze over, not all the way across, but by the beach there's no waves for most of the winter. It's ice. A little more south of Carlsbad. We're in Carlsbad, but maybe central. I guess this parking lot kind of flooded here. From the rain, I think, not the waves. Lots of white caps, lots of white water, but not really that big. Definitely bigger here Moonlight Beach, Encinitas. See those right there? Finally, I found some bigger than average waves. Cut the beach off here. Made a little bank down there. See that? A wall. Now this direction, the waves aren't that much bigger, but over that direction, they are. I can't really get a good view of. This is the relatively new lifeguard station. Beautiful. I body surf here fairly often, especially in the summer. I got stung by a stingray here too. A few people walking down there.